Welcome back to vlog 1 of building a robotic startup in public. This week I spent a lot of time bringing up the NVIDIA Orin Nano. I got the NVIDIA Orin Nano to work and to control this robot, which is a bracket bot. I got the bracket bot right here with the NVIDIA Orin on its little tray. Got this little camera dangling out. I stole this camera from this VM robot that I won in a different hackathon. Here's my desk with some parts. I gotta clean it up. I'm sorry about being a little messy. Here's the NVIDIA Orin Nano. It's plugged in to the O drive using USB right here. It looks pretty cool. My co-founders also worked on creating a CAD for the robot, which we should have built next week. If we don't have it built next week, then you can call this startup a failure. We work really fast here at 3E8 Robotics. Overall, I'm thoroughly impressed with the amount of compute that NVIDIA can put into this small package. But what I'm not impressed with is the shitty documentation that NVIDIA has and how hard it was to actually bring this up. I don't know, maybe I'm being a little harsh, but the NVIDIA Orin Nano was out of stock for months. So the only way to get this was to get the NVIDIA Orin Nano module and find an open source carrier board for it. So I got the Seed Studio carrier board, and plugging them in together had a lot of different integration issues. Just for reference, Jetpack is the official software development kit for the Jetson platform, and the current most up-to-date version is Jetpack 6.2. And when I got this module, I was so excited to use it, and I spent like a whole day trying to figure out, it's like, oh, why doesn't the Wi-Fi work on this? Like, the Wi-Fi should work. It came with the ability to connect to the internet. But I found out the Seed Studio carrier board left off the Wi-Fi module, so I had to buy my own right here. And this Wi-Fi module works great for Jetpack versions 6.1 and below. But the NVIDIA Orin Nano barely works on Jetpack 6.1. I had so many issues where you just couldn't even like upgrade any package. Every package was just failing. And I couldn't use Jetpack 5 because it couldn't run some of the AI models that I wanted to use. So I'm stuck with using Jetpack 6.2 and finding a different Wi-Fi module instead of this. But I was really excited to use my cool little Wi-Fi box that I made for the NVIDIA Orin Nano, but unfortunately that will have to wait. Anyways, I'm gonna get a new Wi-Fi module soon. For a little bit of time while I was still working on the Orin, I had a 1-foot Ethernet cable plugged into my Wi-Fi router so I could still use it and have it connected to the network. I kind of wanted to work at like a desk, so then I bought a 50-foot Ethernet cable instead. Here's a time lapse of me and one of my co-founders working. But anyways, now I'm going to show you some demos of what I've developed so far since starting last week. I created a cool run script, which when I run it, it just spins up all the nodes that I want. Right now it's just one node, but in the future it will be hopefully a few more. Do this. Boom, robots on. Boom, it is working. I want to show you how this works. It's pretty cool. So on my backend now since I have everything running, if I try it out, I can change my linear velocity 0.1. That's already going to be faster than what I need. Watch this. Ready? I'm going to hit execute, and then I'm going to go crazy. Execute. Uh-oh. Oh, shit. Oh, it's still connected to everything. Oh, fuck. Fuck. Well, anyways, that's how it works. Yeah, it's pretty cool. Yeah, this works. I'm super excited about that. Okay, well, I'm going to try this again, but not plugged in. This lists all my topics. So this is how I can control the robot. If I just send a command to target velocity, it should start moving. I don't actually remember the command I need to run, so let me ask Cursor. Cursor is about to make this robot move. So I'm gonna click run. Cursor made this awesome command. I'm sure it makes the robot move at point 1. Run, go, 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 go. Oh my God, it's working. Wow, Cursor, please, wait, stop, wait, stop. Stop, oh shit. Oh, it's not going that fast. Oh, it's just chilling actually. Okay, wait. Okay, oh, Cursor finished its stop command. Run. Stop, please, Cursor. Oh. Okay, I caught the robot, we're all good. And Cursor stopped it successfully. Let's go, Cursor is vibe coding my robot. Not only vibe coding, Cursor is vibe controlling. Shout out to Cursor for controlling my robot. Vibe controlling. Or maybe vibe driving? But that was pretty cool. My chair fell over out of the excitement of Cursor controlling my robot. That was so cool. Okay, now I'm gonna try the same thing, but instead of making it move forward, I'm gonna try to make it move in a circle. Okay, I'm gonna try running it, and oh, it worked. Okay, the robot is now successfully spinning in a circle. Hopefully it won't fall over this time. I like this. This is, oh! Caught you. I'm not going anywhere. It's just wrapping itself in a circle. Oh, you're not going anywhere. Okay, you gotta cut it out. Sorry for smacking you in the face. If this video gets 10,000 likes, I'll ask Cursor to drive the robot at full speed. Okay, here's my user interface that I got Cursor to create for me. Ready to rumble? Ready to drive? Let's do this. Ooh. Don't fall. Hey, fuck. NVIDIA Orin Nano, are you okay? I think it's okay. I think we're still on the network. Anyways, while it's propped it down, I want to show you that like if I move this, yeah, it still works. Still on the network, still driving. Move it this way, the other motor should move. Probably enough damage for now. Okay, I think I've done enough damage for today. This weekend, I'm going on a builder's retreat in San Francisco, where I'm going to read a lot about VLAs, which are visual language action models, similar to ChatGPT, but instead of outputting text, it outputs robot controls, which is exactly what I need to control a robot. If things go well this week and I learn a lot, hopefully I can have this working next week. People keep asking me, oh, why are you building a robotic startup in Toronto? San Francisco is the place to be. And the answer to that is I'll move to San Francisco tomorrow if you can give me enough money. So at least for now, we're building the MVP in Toronto, and post MVP, we're not sure where we're gonna be.